If you're looking to add browser extensions for quick autofill, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to add these extensions and start using them to save time with form filling, whether it's for your passwords, shipping info, or payment details. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store, or the equivalent for your browser. If you're using Firefox, go to their add-ons page. Just search for Autofill extension, and you'll see a bunch of options. Now don't worry, I've tried a few of the most popular ones, and I'll guide you through the one I recommend. Once you've found the Autofill extension, click on Add to Chrome or Install. It's really that easy. You'll see a pop-up asking you to confirm. Just click Add Extension, and it will start installing. Depending on the browser, you might see it appear in the toolbar right away or in your extension settings. Now, once installed, you'll want to set up your autofill preferences. Open the extension by clicking its icon on the top right of your browser. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be asked to input your information, things like name, address, email, and payment methods. Some extensions even allow you to sync this data across devices. So if you're using your laptop or your phone, you'll always have your info ready. After entering your details, you're ready to test it out. Head to any website with a form, like signing up for a newsletter or checking out an online store. When you click into a field, you'll notice the extension will automatically pop up and suggest filling in your information. It's a total game changer for saving time. A few things to keep in mind. Make sure the extension you're using is trusted. Look at user reviews and the developer's info before downloading. Some autofill extensions offer extra features like password management, so you can take your security to the next level too. Also, ensure you're using the latest version of the extension, as updates often include bug fixes and new features. Before we wrap up, a key takeaway here is that adding browser extensions for quick autofill is one of the easiest ways to save yourself a lot of time, especially if you're constantly filling out forms online. By using an autofill extension, you streamline your browsing experience and reduce the chances of entering incorrect info, especially when shopping or filling out personal forms. To quickly revise, open your browser, install the extension, input your data, and enjoy quick autofill when filling out forms online. It really doesn't take much time at all. And finally, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the autofill software we use today. You can find the link to that in the description below. If you want to follow along with this tutorial and get started with autofill today, you'll want to check that out. Thanks for watching. Happy autofilling.